So let me show you the foredeck on this Grady White. As I said before, it's set up for fishing, it's set up for cruising. You got your fishing rods, you got your cup holders, you got your tackle drawers. All inside the boxes are nice and clean. Obviously, anchor, cup holders, your pop-up cleats. Look at the nice finish on this right here. There's a filler that goes in here. We're going to show you what that looks like in a moment. We're going to show you what these backrests do in a moment. And then just in front of the helm, there's a seat with cooler box right here.